What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mari Stoudemire back again with another video. So today I'm gonna switch it up for y'all. I got a little prank for my boy TG, Todd Glow. Most of y'all know, most of y'all don't, but he be in my vids a lot. So today I'm gonna be taking him to the car wash with me. You can see my car is pretty dirty. Oh, like what's that? Like, I don't know. But yeah, my car pretty dirty. So I'm gonna take him to the car wash with me. I'm gonna link up with him in a few. So what I'm gonna do once we get in the car wash, I'm gonna just roll down his passenger window. And I think that'll be dumb funny because he's gonna be dumb mad. He's gonna be tight. So we're gonna get his reaction and everything. Hopefully it's funny. So we're gonna get straight into it. But before we start, you know, I gotta get a little cold start for y'all, man. A little cold start. They sound good, but I'm gonna catch y'all in a few. Alright, y'all, so I just reached his crib. Let me call him, let him know I'm outside.
Please leave your message for
he dubbing me, y'all. Let me call him again. Oh, he dubbed my phone call. Yo.
Yo.
What's good, bro? I'm outside.
Say that I'm about to pull up.
Alright, Brody.
Alright,
man. Yo, Tyler, you watching this, bro? Well, when you watch this, I'm sorry, gang. I gotta get you from me. I gotta get you, bro. First volunteer, man. I'm gonna start pranking a lot of y'all. So stay tuned, but let's see. Well, I'm gonna get back to y'all when he get in the car and everything. I'm about to pull up right now. I'm lock the door for him and everything.
trunk, bro.
Yo?
Trunk.
Oh, my fault, gang. What's good, mud?
Good, bro.
Chillin'?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, he's vlogging? Yeah, he don't know what's coming to him right now. You don't know what's about to come in right now. My son got his camera, you working.
5 minutes later.
So I got my boy with me now, fam.
Yo.
Good. So we gotta help the car out right now. No, it's the moves for today though, gang. The car out right now. Gotta get this bad boy cleaned up. Alright. Yeah, bro. I thought you supposed to have a little kid going through this thing. Oh. Are you coming to this car wash?
Nah, not really.
Oh, nah. My fault, gang. Oh, my fault, bro. Nah, I like that. Hit that joint. Okay. You good, bro? Oh, my fault, bro. Oh, my fault, gang. Oh, my. Oh, nah, my fault. Oh. Why just did that, bro? Which I ain't even do that, bro. Oh, my fault, bro. Oh. Good, man? Oh, wow, my fault. Nah, my fault, bro. That was my accident, bro. Oh. Nah, the car mad clean, though. That's a good car.
You got laughing, bro. I mean,
Nah, bro, it was that by accident now, bro. It was by accident, bro. My fault, gang. Yo, I had to prank my boy right here. First prank on the channel. How you feeling, bro? I'll
I'm gonna get you back, bro.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, y'all. It's violent.
Now that look at y'all, I drank right all of it. Let me show you. I got oil on the car. I got white that. Nah, but yeah, this is dumb funny, bro. I think I just started prank wars game. What's going on?
I'm not gonna say too much, bro.
Oh man, yo.
Don't lack, bro.
Never lacking, bro. Never lacking. But yeah, we're gonna get some food real quick. Every time I'm in New York, I gotta get chopped cheese, so that's what we finna do right now. I had to prank my boy real quick. But goddamn, man, subscribe to his YouTube. I'm putting in the description down below, man.
Facts, Ty Glow, man. Ty Glow, tap in.
He got some bangers coming out for y'all, so definitely stay in tune, you feel me? I got some bangers coming out, though. All the guys do, man. Virtual content all 2023, man.
2023 going up, man.
Yeah, facts. So, we're gonna get this food and everything, and I'm gonna get back with y'all in here. Alright, so what's good, y'all? So, right now I'm just driving back to the crib. It's mad dark. But, let me know how y'all jack the pranks and stuff like that. I'll definitely come out with some more little light prank on my boy TG, but let me know if y'all want to see more in the comments and everything. I'll definitely do that for y'all, trying to switch up the content, trying to find new content to do. And I'm gonna definitely try to do like more like POV driving too, like me caught up in traffic, especially up in New York. Feel me, like especially up there. Me and my boy TG get gritty up there. But yeah, so let me know how y'all jack that, man. But yeah, I'm just focused right now, driving to the crib. Trying to finesse this watch time, man. Because y'all can just watch me cut up. Or at least just drive, at least. Time to crib. Oh. Nobody out here wanna cut up though, eh? Nobody really out here for real anyways. I passed like 2 cops already. So I'm just being extra cautious right now. Feel me? I ain't really trying to get hit with no speeding ticket late at night. I don't know if I can hear the inside drone with the exhaust and everything, but that sounds loud to me. I don't know if y'all can hear it as well as me. But yeah. Your boy just got home, man. But like I said, man, let me know if y'all like the pranks and stuff like that. I'm gonna be switching up the content from the car content, trying to branch out to other things. Feel me? So let me know down below if y'all jack that, if y'all mess with it, whatever. You feel me? And I'm gonna keep bringing that to y'all. We're gonna take it to the top 2023, man. So let's get it. If y'all didn't, like, comment, subscribe, man, on the road to 1K. And we out.